Hello everyone, welcome to Nidharshana Sarees. This is Lakshmi here. That's a beautiful Dola saree what I'm going to showcase today. This has got beautiful zari lines all over the body as well as zari butta and printed peacock concept on the entire saree. It's a digital print on the entire saree and that's a beautiful woven border. It's a gap style border and also beautifully the parrot weaving has come and that's on the lower side. There is a small border on the upper side that's in a contrast color. This saree has got beautiful batik style digital printed and zari concept pallu and that's the matching blouse piece. It's a dusky lavender comes along with the purple tone. We have lot of colors available in this catalog. All these sarees you can shop online www.nidharshanasarees.com or download our app to place order for the sarees. Come, let's quickly check out the other colors.